Hello friends, let's now all together do the yeast foam experiment. The materials we will use in the experiment are yeast, hydrogen peroxide, a plastic bottle, goggles and gloves, hot water, food coloring, and detergent. Let's place a large container in front of us to prevent any spillage during the experiment. Now first, let's put our yeast into our plastic bottle. Let's do all these steps inside the large container. Pour the yeast into our plastic bottle. Add about a teaspoon of detergent. Add our food coloring. We don't need to add too much, just enough for coloring. Shake the bottle a bit. Then add our hydrogen peroxide and watch what happens. As you can see, as soon as we mixed in the hydrogen peroxide, the volume of the liquid suddenly increased and it foamed up. The main reason for this, of course, is that our yeast is organic and interacts with the hydrogen peroxide and dish detergent.